Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford Ranger LARIAT. Coming in this nice Velocity blue coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, comes equipped with the FX4 off-road package and the advanced trailer tow package. Taking a look at the back here, we've got rear park sensing, tow hitch with a backup camera. We do have mud flaps on the rear, a nice gripped running board, side view camera, as well as blind spot and turn light indicated, mud flaps on the front. And moving to the front real quick, we do have that nice license plate bracket, front park sensing with the block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space with some leathering on the door. We do have a little storage cubby there with USB and USB-C and a 12-volt. And of course, if you don't need that extra person in the back, this does fold down for 2 cup holders and some arm space. And of course, you can, one sec, you gotta pull this lever first. Lift these seats up for extra storage underneath. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats. The same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front with powered mirrors as well as memory seating. You have your lights just on your left-hand side. And we do have these new vents. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 64 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle for your screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at your main screen here, you have My View, Trip and Fuel, Off-Road, Towing, Navigation, Phone, Audio, and other settings. To my right, you have this new-looking gear shift, and you have your modes, speeds, all that stuff, cup holders, parking brake, park assist, traction, hazards, or not hazards, auto stop, auto start, and your trail control just right there. We do have our tow and haul mode, as well as four-wheel drive and drive modes, which do include normal, eco, sport, tow and haul, slippery, mud and rut, and sand. And continue your look over here. We have a nice little storage here, or fry holder, wireless charging pad, USB and USB-C with some storage. Nice leather wrap center console with tons of storage with the 12-volt. You have your basic HVAC controls, volume, AC, power, hazards. More storage up here and below. And looking above me, we do have our features for our, I can't see, rear window opener, which is pretty handy. And looking at this screen, we have this nice new infotainment system. It's pretty big. Right now we can see what audio we're on, so Sirius XM, AM, all that usual stuff. Got that Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto capabilities. You got your phone. Navigation. Your music again. Just showing you the basics. Tow and haul mode. If it wants to load. And your climate controls down here with heated seats. Up here, we do have our settings. There's that Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, zone lighting, sketch, vehicle settings, and your 360 view of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LE50797, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.